Tariki 29 mweri wa mbere 2025 kwatonikirie nteto cia werutha mwanja betawa Mutembe Edward. Tukiambiriria MC wa Ruiru Raira Felix Kithinji Ntuona uritie munini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki atika makune bamo ba siasa ba Meru nontubo ngwatino yawe na Kawira Mwangaza Ntuo awetana kwata mbaru Kawira Mwangaza na Kithure Kindiki no timu mtu kinyomo wa mumakia county ya Meru arite yakire mambura ya wekira musingi yo kirasi KCD narane ndethirite akiuri kinyamo wambithani munene Martha Koome atigetikiri kumakwa ni asiasa.
MC wa Ruiru Raira Felix Kithinji Ntuona uritie munini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki gutikagite muntu nori kumba kumuinainia na ino nyuma ya bamwe batongoria ba Meru kumeneria Kindiki nontu bwa ngwataniro era bene ona ngavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza.
Mheshimiwa Deputy President Kithure Kindiki ukamakua igaragara tubuti indrene arume bakai bakiaria bakigeria kugutishia bekwiraga nontu ogwe no supportete Kawira Meru te support thirikari kankwire bara ne antu bara bengiro ne antu bara bate athurirwe pamonyo abera barombe kure cia manio minanda bateona so Kithure Kindiki ukamakua ne antu bara tafadhali ikyo mbomba gukwira ukamakua ya urume no imenye atongeri ba Meru na antu ba Meru benyumeku so kereregere kuigwa kiringwa na area ni ogua bora bokira na Kawira Mwangaza no ntu baize bakeja kuita kianine na Kawira Mwangaza 2027 akabatsinda ukeja kuthura be na umana ne arume sana ibetere 2027 bakinyani ndevena na Kawira Mwangaza ibatigio ogua bagukira Kawira benda engona mwario nyuma na inkwira koti cietu ibwaga sana na koti cietu bokenda kumakua Martha Koome okenda kumakua ne antu bara bakuringia tuma bira ni igua na antu bara bokira kuingwa ni wananchi 2027.
Nkuruki Ntuona uritie MCs ba Meru barabari murengwa kurwa na ngavana Kawira Mwangaza bawatanire no ikenda kariba obona maendeleo.
MCs ba Meru tafadhali atanocia na arocia kaburite na burite kabisa na murogi ora oborogere ije kaborogere atena nguo so batu to aborombera maromba no ntoni ndrare au imbizi ndarogi kinyo ambori birandra tora kurira Kawira ante kuira kanda arogia akiri na bono tukaborogia akiri tugeta na mapastors ya Meru na mabishop ya Meru barabaromba murungo kauma to borombere bume orogine bo bume nkomene yu bogaitira nto benu ngogeno nto kinyo tora kuroya kinyo tora mara we Kisumu we Mombasa we Murang'a we na safari tetethia kirage atethia mtoku kana nto baraba kuringire kura ingoge njo gwatana na Kawira Mwangaza no nto no mwene Meru na no nto bya Meru
arite boborera kurugura klasi kia isindi chukuria Maturu primary era rewandini yake ya Ruiru Raira na ino nyuma ya na baba kuria thine nene nontu bwa kwaga ilasi
tujitane kana tumba kwambiria class kia ECD kia na betu baba nini ibuje todo tuna thina enene muno skuru yetu ya Maturu aja class kia ECD buga kuma thirikari cha county ireja skuru yetu itarara ionete mark kinyemwe county lakini narua gukurukira utongeria ne bwako na support ya governor wetu Kawira Mwangaza itubareterete class na class kira kwambiria kuma narua contractor aja groundine na kira twaromba aciari twaboera kibetere ntuko 21 kenda class kiumba kutho ikuthiria kujura
ana babetu bagakara bwega aja turekirite ana katin pamwe bakathomera ndeje bangi saindi ejingi lakini nandi tukuona mathithio na itukuga ibwega muno
batu Maturu isindi turateseka kuma turi aja turete thina kutura kuthamwa thisi ya tukwaria ugeta kirasi ni ara mheshimiwa wethira kirasi giakwa na the other teacher gipartition to na curtain me have no once inyawe ngwanu ije ibwega sana mheshimiwa na areo tuita thinene
mwire tugutwina ngatho inene no tutijo kenda ati wonka gwaku ekea kuthoti uko gwita nao development tutithithia atia tutimiona na aciari wokora bati ukira mbie wonke no choke wonke kairi rara inya wonka nao
kuma wandini ya Ruiru Raira gicigo mbunge kia Boring reportera Wero TV nyukambitaga ki Mutegi
wamba bwa bonda ne butuikite mpanga ntere chechuka kuningana na itedia bonda ba bodo kuna kundi kwetethia ntubo na mbere ndikitamanyeka na bakawatira na polisi kenda bethira baikirwa mpine kaite no kau ndibomeneretie mandereba baraba kuwa ndibawetithia ngari buthu kuna wekira uturo bwa bonda gwatine Samuro Geshima na Ntetoi
ukamati bwa bodaboda ibomo mautungata maramari gitumi nkuruki kiri akenya amwe na kuigwa akamati bababa muchi wachuka ibarumiritwe imathina nkutho kinyamara kia mbere bariuga ikewamba bikibiki buraba kuga ibongerekete mono muchi wachuka
ntuko ino bikibiki ne sikuiwa mono sana nwithira ona ora ukuia ni muntu murato waku muno rutongiuga ntonu ambe otire nuntu bikibiki ni gututethia muno tigane bikibiki tutona gia kuria.
Kumekuwa na wizi ya bodaboda na recently kumekuwa na ingine hapa imeibiwa hapa juu hapa Mesako, lakini kwa bahati mzuri huyo mtu aliweza kushikwa na ikapatikana, lakini zingine zimeweza kuibiwa lakini hazijapatikana.
Nkuruki bariuga ibabuthagwa mono na atumiri barabange barabara baigagwa bare na nkari ara athithia baba bankari batemaga ukaumira mitino gatigati kago na athithia babikibiki untu borabotigaga ikuona wonje kiri muntu wa bodaboda.
Gari za miraa zinatusumbua, zinaendeshwa vibaya, na sisi hiyo mambo tunataka serikali iangalie. Kama miraa iko na haraka watengeneze hata airstrip ya kubeba kutoka Meru up to Nairobi. Hiyo inaweza saidia sana kupunguza ajali hapa Tharaka Nithi. Walieka bumps university lakini bado zile haziwezi sikia zile bumps.
Watu wa magari pia wanatudharau sometimes. They don't follow the rules of the road na wanaenda kusema watu wa bodaboda ndio watu wabaya, na isipokuwa wao ndio pia hawakui waangalifu kwa barabara. Unakuta mtu wa gari anakugonga na ni yeye ako na makosa, lakini wanaekelea mtu wa pikipiki because wanajuanga watu wa pikipiki wengi hawana driving license na hawana insurance, so they take that advantage kufanya nini? Kufinyilia mtu wa pikipiki, kitu ambacho tuningesema tafadhali tutatumia barabara sisi wote tukue waangalifu na angalia mwenzako.
Ende ibakuria thirikari ibatetheria kuwata license na kinya insurance kenda banyithanyithirwe kinyamara giki.
Tungeomba serikali ya kaunti ingilie, kama saa hii kila mtu hapa anajua kuendesha pikipiki. Sasa tukipewa tu license sababu everybody is competent, itakuwa vizuri sana.
Nkuruki bakirombaga bakiro migunya ya wetera abiria ntere mwanya cha muchiojo wa Chuka amuna thokoni irachingi cha kaunti no.
Kama hapa Chuka Magunas, kama tunawezekewa shedi hapa huwa tunachomeka na jua. Unaona pale kutoka kwa ile post hadi hapa tukiekewa shedi upate at least tunajikinga ndani wakati wa mvua, wakati wa jua, hiyo ingekuwa sawa.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe, mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.
Kiama epwa ni lungite kaunti ya Meru kuyukia maoni kuma kiria kari kenda kumenyora bakaritira akenya ngwe kiri ndio ngayo kiri ntere mwanya Kenya badua ne bakwenda kumenya mantra yinleti ya Kenya inde yatumba kwithira yabakinyila batongereto mukaririti wo Isaac Hassan bwitenende ne betitana mbere no chunkuni bwo kenda kumenya kithia polisi bori na njara kiri watani bo taebra bwititana mbere thegurone ya Kenya.
As part of our mandate, we have come to the regions to meet with our staff, to meet with our stakeholders, to hear them, to get the feedback on IPOA operations. We were in here yesterday, today we are in Meru, tomorrow we'll be in Embu, and we will go to Garissa and then finish off in the next leg of tour in up to Kisumu, Eldoret and our other regions. We have got 9 regions offices. We should have 47 across the 47 counties. But because of lack of financial resources, we are only in 9 regions. And again, it's part of the reforms we want to bring in to expand the IPOA to all the counties in Kenya.
We have 34 convictions, but we have over 250 ongoing court cases across the country. These are only the criminal cases we have investigated and have been approved by the Director of Public Prosecution, and they are currently running in court. But besides that, we do a lot of also administrative and disciplinary recommendations, which we have been sharing with the National Police Service Commission and of course the Inspector General of the Police. So those are the numbers. Besides that, on the issue of abductions, We are, of course, seized of the matter. We have been making follow-ups. We have been on it. We have been investigating. On the recent cases, the position of the authorities is that we have an ongoing investigation, which at this point we can't be able to say the police are involved or the police are not involved. The complaints are over 1,000, which we've been able to receive in this region, the Meru region, and we have some convictions. A lot of cases we've been able also to resolve through the administrative and the disciplinary processes. There are also ongoing court cases as late as even today.
Of course, there's concern about the public's confidence in the IPOA. But when you look at those abductions, and actually we came into office at a time when there was a lot of, in December, and even before that, a lot of abductions and concern in Kenya about these enforced disappearances. But the IG came out and said, you know, they are not our officers. And you see, IPOA is works on an act of parliament, and we investigate misconduct by police officers. And now when you have got people who are in hoods with fake number plates, who are abducting people, and then they take them not to a police station, but to a different place. I think these are issues that even the police must investigate. But so far, we as IPOA, we saw the reports in the media. We sent our staff to Embu, to where was it? Nairobi and Embu, yeah, and Nakuru, yes, where there were reported abductions. And when they came back here, they said we have a report that police were not involved.
Chibu wa Murugi West Catherine Kare na rombete akari wikithira bayu kumori mine na njere okundi meraroi kienda kuongela bekurea akiari na thiriti akiwa kurea kwana kwambura December kukethira nendi akari bayasi bekurea na kurima kuona ruwe kwate thiri bonene kuongela bekurea na ntumpada kia kweya ikaringithia maskuru na akari bonene. Martin Mwambi na ripoti.
Kagitani gaka kulingana na mbulela alengele you are aware at mbulela uli just a month kana jume ithandato o iria mbule wetari mbiganu na ne kwenda kuimiza kana kulomba ntu betu pala bwena lose nuntu koko takatuwe mulugu estimu tindwa kwena lose antala ke kwena lose kianja kwena lose na bena bamwe ku area simo kwena nyenche nyinge antoka gitanta kaka ka January liato dita February Antoni bamedithie mbemba Antoni baande sukuma Antoni baande mpoga na nikenda kunyia thina ya gutinda tukiuga serikali saidia gutinda tukiromba tukiuga tutena jona baba inge betu ni antu bena migunda tiati batena migunda muntu bati kwithwa akenegena thirikali kana kiara yolwa serikali saidia o muthenya ni muntu uria utena mugunda nuntu we antu beku initially batena mugunda yes no menye ola telega muntu mo tutu muntu mwega even in demonstration tuyo netokena gali antu beto banyiru nuntu kwatha muntu mo nyiri kwera isinkulu kya kwatha muntu mo otu ona nkinya sukuru okaruta mwana waku lokere okena mwira sukuru athike mwalimu akathome mwana uyu ate onete kanya mwankira lokere akiuma gwaku omenye mwana uyu te thomo tethetie nuntu aterwa giciragia wolo bula mwalimu akwari ara mbere akethwa giciragia wolo wa bule auti so eola tegentu kega kabisa.
Minister wokima Kenya Deborah Barasa uwete ministry yawe ni kubangania uranene bakainga makutho yara yatietwe ni watho bwa rais wa Amerika Donald Trump bokwambĩrĩria mantu ingi wati mbaru bogimbo mwere gire gitaro kia Afrika. Deborah ithirite akiuga kaiteneka Afrika ni bati kwithira nendi kunuka metho na kuona urabongo bakaibanga kiri mantu yokinyaniria mitaratara yogima mwere kendo tiera batigwirira muntu noreko kiri ukinyaniria bau hawete kiri mutunduko yo COVID-19 Afrika ni yathomere bonene na nende kaiteneka kinyite bobongo abaibange urabakabanga ni mitaratara yokarania kiri mantu yogima.
As the Ministry of Health, I have tasked the various state departments, the various programs and directors that have been involved or that will be affected by this so that we can be able to map out and look at the impact in matters finances, in matters human resource, etc. And with this, we'll come up with a concrete way forward in terms of interventions, of which we'll be able to share with the Cabinet, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, and see how we can move forward in matters intervention. So,
opportunity for us to really find a way to begin to mobilize resources domestically, because you cannot talk of security without help financing. So this is critical, and given what is happening at the political space globally, so this is an opportunity to elevate the issue of health financing to the highest political level on the continent. And the African Union, your African Union, is looking at that critically.
It's critical to strategically think about ways of mobilizing resources, securing resources, to make sure that our health challenges are addressed. And research and development, also a critical subject for our sub-region. Local manufacturing, as everyone said, and making sure that in terms of supply chain management for pharmaceuticals and vaccines, that policies across countries are harmonized, enabling countries to put their resources together, put their shoulders to the wheel, consider pool procurement for efficiencies, and make sure that our health challenges are properly addressed.
Otuonekanya kunoka nchokerete na nteto ingi.
Panda tukupandishe na GoTV this new year. Upgrade leo to the next package tukupandisha to the next one. My goodness. Ukiwa na GoTV Lite, lipia GoTV Value to upgrade to GoTV Plus.
Oh, it's so cool.
But a big value, big entertainment.
Really clever play.
Perfect. Panda tukupandishe kupata even more with GoTV.
Pure serendipity.
Upgrade today on the My GoTV app.
Kote nchini mbele tuendelee, mbele Kenya twende mbele,
Kenya twende mbele. NCBA, go for it.
Kiama ya ithurano na mĩankano ya IEBC nĩambĩrĩtie kũthuranĩra arutwo kenda kuona ũrĩa ithurano biethera bieta na mbere mũgongone yo Kenya kũringana nabo na atĩ bobo atetheria na ba kwithira bakithuranĩra ũtuĩka atongeria baru uyu pariti ya taba kũrũngamĩrĩtie ithurano kĩrĩ cukuru ĩmwe ntere cia kaunti ya Embu.
Masukuru ngũrani nĩ mambĩrĩtie mũtugo wa arutwo kũthura atongoria ao thĩinĩ wa masukuru mama. Ĩno nĩ njĩra ya gũtethereria arutwo aya gwĩtĩkĩra na gũkũria taranda ciao cia ũtongoria ũũ atĩ no mahote kũrũĩra iturwa ngũrani cia kĩbũrũri vau varĩ wona marĩkie cukuru.
Thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano gĩkĩ nĩ tũraharĩrĩria atongoria mega ma rũciũ. Tondũ moto itu ya tene tugaga the future leadership start now. Kioguo thĩinĩ wa process ĩno nĩ katũratayarica atongoria rũciũ. Tondũ mĩaka yũkĩte nĩ tũrarongoreria atĩ atongoria a Kenya ĩno mariuma gũkũ tene.
Gũkũ arutwo aya makĩthomithio bata ya gwĩka kambĩni cia thayũ gũtarĩ kũbaka arutwo arĩa maramathura nĩguo andũ mathure atongoria arĩa makũmarutĩra wĩra.
Ciana nĩ irabatara gũthomithio nĩ officers arĩa marĩ resource people na makorwa mathoma ũrĩa ithurano ciagĩtwo gũ take place. Ringi afisa cia IEBC ni marakinyiririe ati atongoria masagurwa matiagirito gukorwo mena corruption, matiagirito kubesa na mbesa nigetha masagurwe, na ringi mundu acindwa nagirito gwitikira results nigetha maisha maendelee ma Kenya.
Na varia ruvonge rwa IEBC ruratethia arutwo aya kuthoma uria ithurano ciekagwa niguo maumirira makorwo mama na waragania.
Institution iria ciengi cionthe itatwitite kana cigucaga ikenda kuthondeka ithurano inoguo cia uma ino itai na ngucanio inoguo mbitikiriku kwi andu ni mauke matwite na ni matwire tondu ucio ni wira uria tuvetwe ni katiba.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Munini wa Rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki muthenya wari nekite mucemanio na atongoria ba kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kenda kwariria witi na mbere. Iri mucemanio Kindiki nekite wira ni ati mirandi ira yonthe kwamite ndeni ya kaunti wekethira ikirika. Kindiki nayo kite kanyaka neti na rethirite icokeria aria ni boba kisiasa akiwa uti mtu wetikiro kumena thirikari ari ndene no ngaka umaruka. Rethirite kinyaki olota ura wari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua akiwa tibu atethia Rais Ruto kirimi yake ile irari utongeriene.
So kuna watu naona saa ingine wanani advice, wananiambia sijui ufanye hivi, sijui ukai kama unapingana na rais. And I'm wondering, is the work of the deputy president to oppose the president? Is that the job description? Wale wanataka kuoppose rais watoke nje, wajoin Kalonzo, Wajakoya na hiyo timu nyingine waanze kuoppose wakiwa huko nje. There is no problem. But you cannot be a deputy president and sabotaging the same government, or a minister flying a flag and then you are sabotaging the same administration. Not possible. So tafuta na hao wengine, hiyo group ingine, mutupige mkiwa nje, we are ready for you. So usitutishe ati rais a one term president. Pia watu wengine wanatutisha huko jana ati our job is to make sure William Ruto is a one term president. That is your objective. Hiyo tu. Just that. And you will have achieved a lot. President Ruto is lucky to be among the 5 Kenyans who have occupied the seat of President of Kenya. Some, 24 years. Others, 10 years. If he gets 5, so be it. If he gets how many days, so be it. Mimi nimekuwa naibu wa rais. Today is the 89th day in office. I am working as if this is it. Hakuna siku ingine ni hii tu. That's how I'm working, because you don't know. We live and work by the grace of God. There was somebody in this office. Today is not here. Now he is giving us ultimatum from funerals. How he will make William Ruto a one-term president. As if that is an achievement. William Ruto's objective is not to serve for 2 terms. It is to use the time that God will give him in office to bring transformative programs in 1, 2, 3 areas and then leave so that other people can come and take Kenya forward. As his principal assistant, that is my objective too, to support him. So musikuja kututisha na one time, my friend.
Muthe onteto cia rutha mwanya gucokeria nkatho na utubugu watandite na unita na mbere kurumira Weru TV.